Python has become one of the most important programming languages in the world, powering everything from artificial intelligence to cloud computing, automation, back-end systems, data pipelines, and even everyday business operations. But one question people often ask is, which companies actually use Python at massive scale? And what does that mean for someone who wants to become a developer? Today, we're going to explore 8 of the world's top tech companies using Python right now. We'll look at their market caps, their employee counts, and what this data tells you about your opportunities as a future developer. Whether you're brand new to Python or looking to level up your skills, this breakdown will give you clarity about where you might fit in the tech landscape. Let's start with market cap, a company's total value on the stock market. In our comparison, Microsoft and Apple take the top 2 spots, each valued at around $3 trillion. This enormous valuation reflects not just financial success, but also how deeply these companies invest in research, cloud infrastructure, AI, and developer tools. Both companies heavily use Python for automation, back-end services, machine learning workflows, and cloud operations. For a Python developer, this means high stability, strong salaries, and the chance to work on cutting-edge technologies. Alphabet, better known as Google, holds the 3rd position with a market cap around $2 trillion. Google has some of the most influential Python-based ecosystems in the world, from TensorFlow to internal automation systems. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, or data engineering, Google remains one of the strongest places to grow. Next is Amazon, coming in just under $2 trillion. What's interesting is that although Amazon's valuation is somewhat lower than the top 3, its workforce is dramatically larger. Amazon employs more than 1.5 million people, more than all the other companies on this list combined. While many of those roles are in logistics and operations, Amazon still hires a huge number of developers, especially for AWS, automation, recommendation systems, and large-scale back-end infrastructure. For someone beginning their tech career, Amazon represents a massive entry point with thousands of potential Python-related roles. Below Amazon, we see companies like Meta, Netflix, Uber, and IBM. They have smaller market caps, but that doesn't mean they have smaller impact. Meta uses Python in data science, AI research, internal automation, and large distributed systems. Netflix is famous for its Python-driven data pipelines, machine learning algorithms, and back-end services. Uber uses Python in its dispatch algorithms, pricing systems, and data infrastructure. And IBM, despite being one of the older tech giants, remains a heavy user of Python in enterprise automation, cloud services, and artificial intelligence. This brings us to the second part of the analysis, employee count. When you line up the companies by number of employees, Amazon shoots to the top with more than 1.5 million workers. IBM holds second place with close to 300,000 employees. After that, companies like Microsoft, Google, and Apple have leaner, more engineering-focused workforces. These companies tend to hire fewer people overall, but a larger percentage of those hires are developers and technical specialists. Then you have Netflix, Meta, and Uber, companies that operate with much smaller teams, but rely heavily on engineering talent. For someone applying to developer roles, this means each of these companies offers a different type of opportunity. Larger companies like Amazon and IBM often have more openings and a broader range of roles. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Apple offer prestige, stronger AI research, and highly specialized engineering positions. And companies like Netflix, Meta, and Uber offer the chance to work in smaller, highly collaborative teams where every engineer has a direct impact on the product. So what does all this mean for you as a Python developer or someone considering entering the field? First, it means that Python truly is everywhere, from trillion-dollar tech companies to high-impact engineering teams. No matter where you want to take your career, Python will open doors. Second, the data shows that different companies offer different types of opportunities. If you want volume and sheer number of openings, Amazon and IBM are strong targets. If you want advanced AI and high-level engineering work, Microsoft, Google, and Apple offer incredible potential. And if you want to make a direct impact in smaller teams, Meta, Netflix, and Uber are excellent places to focus your efforts. Python is one of the most universal and future-proof skills you can learn. And companies at every level are hiring people who understand how to use it to solve problems, automate tasks, build models, and create intelligent systems. The demand isn't slowing down. In fact, it's growing. And if you're ready to build this skill set for yourself, Online Tutor House is here to help you take the first step. Join our live Python training series, hosted on Zoom every weekday at 7 p.m. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate learner, or ready for advanced concepts, we'll guide you through real hands-on projects and get you job ready. To sign up, just text the word Python to 972-957-7022. Your future in tech starts right now, and Python is the gateway. Let's get you started.